Hello guys, so after some time we are back with another video, and in this video we'll talk about various social media platforms and of course how you can win social media. You can make money out of it. Of course, if you are living in 2022, dude, it's impossible to stay away from social media. It's everywhere and it's not such a bad thing. Of course, you should concentrate on your game, but social media is must. And in this video I'll tell you how you can make money out of that social media platforms. So but before that, please subscribe. I won't proceed only. Yeah, please. Okay, now let's start the video. So the first platform which we are going to talk about today is Instagram. Instagram, why? Because literally each and everyone is there. There are people, there are athletes, there are brands who will give you the money. So if you have a private account, switch to public account. Security reasons will be there. Use two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security, but switch to a public account, especially a business profile. That will give you more insights, more features to work upon, to play upon. Number 3, use more of videos. Reels is a cutthroat competition for TikTok and YouTube shorts. So use more of reels and images. Yes, of course, you can post regularly, not once or twice in a month, but at least twice in a week. If you don't have any content, just click a training picture and add a motivational quote and you're good to go. Or just do 10 push-ups and make it a trendy, add a trendy music, push it a reel. Instagram will definitely give you reach. In turn, brands will notice you, they will want to collab with you, and hence you can earn with that. Wait, I forgot to tell you, if this video gets 5k likes, this is my promise, I'll make a dedicated video only on Instagram. That's my word. Start sharing, start liking. The next platform is Facebook. Facebook is for old people nowadays, and hardly you will find stuff happening on Facebook. But that doesn't mean is Facebook useless. No, Facebook has really good ad manager, probably the best one. So link your Facebook account with your Instagram account, and whatever you're posting on Instagram, there will be an option share to Facebook page as well. Do that, no problem. No need to spend more time on Facebook extra. Just use Instagram's feature, which would enable you to get audience on Facebook, because Facebook ideally has the biggest audience on social media. So use its ad manager. If you want visibility, you have to spend some money. Use Facebook and Instagram to spend money on your good profile, good videos, good graphic. Not every I'm telling you, but some of them, because return on investment will be there. People will come to your page, they'll notice you, and in turn brands will notice you. In turn they'll give you money. Oh, so you want to monetize Snapchat? Okay, Snapchat is just for personal reasons. If you want to monetize, use more of those training videos which you post on Snapchat. You can do on Instagram story. Redirect your Snapchat audience to your Instagram if there's some difference in both the audience. Twitter, again, skip. Unless you are not a famous person, unless you are not more into constant current affairs updates, let's just skip. We'll talk about it. Remember me once you're famous, I'll guide you how to use Twitter. I promise that. Okay, now subscribe. It's must for everyone. If you're an athlete, join LinkedIn. It will help you in your professional career as well as if you want to be an athlete in future. It will act as a sports career as well. Connect with more people from a particular sport. Then connect with marketing managers of different sports brands, be it nutrition, be it apparels, anything. Then slowly build your network. Be active. Main part of LinkedIn, be active. Know more about that brand. Then pitch yourselves in, play smart, don't be desperate, and then from LinkedIn you can get some brands, you can get collaboration opportunities, direct them to your Instagram profile. Make Instagram as your core profile so that people come and notice you. That's, you know, the crisp of every brand, because Instagram will give you visibility and LinkedIn will help you to direct people and connect with people who can give you collaborations on Instagram. Now coming to the platform where you are actually watching this video, which is YouTube. On YouTube, do more of short videos because it's a direct competition to Reels. MX Takatak and TikTok, thank God, like content on those were absolutely bizarre, and like not all, but because it was ideally more famous for its bizarre content, it got banned in India, and that's another story, so forget that. On YouTube, think more of long-term perspective. Do some training vlogs. Just dump content and go for long term. Similarly, how I'm doing, I've dumped so many videos for you all, but why don't you watch? So stay tuned on this channel. This was a short video. Hopefully you found it very helpful. Comment, tell me in the comment section which platform do you want to know more about. I'll make a completely detailed video on that particular platform. And please subscribe, stay tuned, watch other videos. Take care.